Hello everyone, this is my final CS50 Python project. It's terminal based program. My name is Baturhan and I'm from Atrau, Kazakhstan. The project is called Calculator. When you run my code, there are three different options: evaluate expression, guide, and exit the calculator. I used questionnaire library because I think it's more comfortable to use program. Now I will run a demo version of my program and I will tell you all features. So this is my main menu. Mm. As you can see here there are three choices. Like I said before, if the user selected exit the calculator, a function, the program will be terminated. If the user has problem with operation, he can read a manual. It's located in guide option. This calculator can do basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, and exponentation. That's not all. Uh, it also can do advanced mathematical functions such as square root, trigonometry, including sine, cosine, tangent, arcsine, cosine, arctangent, also the logarithm, magnitude, and round functions. Would you like to return to the main menu? If the user selected no, the program will be terminated again. And if he will choose yes, it will uh, take us to main menu. Uh, and the last one, to calculate, user need to choose evaluate expression option. It takes the user to the expression solving area. Enter mathematical expression to evaluate. If the user types a correct math expression, like 5 plus 5, or square root of 16, the program calculates the answer, then displays it. After that, user can write another expression, uh, and the program shows the answer. It is repeating loop. To escape from that loop and return back to main menu, if the user types exit, like this, or reaches 3 attempts error limit. First, in invalid attempt, error attempt, I mean. Second one, and the third one. Too many invalid attempts, returning to main menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.